Academic Excellence for Sustainable Progress.
I am Miss Julie Ann B. Granada.
And I am Mr. Junritz F. Rosalo.
And we are your Masters of Ceremony for today.
This time of the month is the most anticipated day for you, our dear students, and for your ever-supportive parents and family members, as this day marks the turning point towards a new chapter in your lives.
In a matter of moments, you will receive the most awaited awards and recognition for all of the efforts and hard work you have exerted throughout this academic year.
To formally start our program, please stand for the singing of the UAE National Anthem, to be led and conducted by Mr. Ryan M. Magbo.
Tomorrow's leaders fostering academic excellence for sustainable progress resonates deeply with the core values that we uphold at United International Private School, LLC. We believe that by fostering academic excellence and instilling values of integrity, compassion, and innovation, we are empowering our students to become the leaders of tomorrow who will drive sustainable progress in the world. To the parents, thank you for your unwavering support, guidance, and encouragement. Your role in nurturing and shaping these bright minds is invaluable. And today's celebration is a testament to your dedication and commitment. Your partnership with us is instrumental in the success of our students, and we are truly grateful for your trust in us. Likewise, our students' achievement and success for this academic year won't be possible without the mentorship and guidance of our dear, competent, and passionate teachers. Hats off to all of you for a job well done. Lastly, to our students, your completion marks not only a conclusion, but also a fresh kick-off brimming with opportunity. We commend and recognize your unwavering perseverance, determination, and diligent efforts. This day marks the realization of your hard-earned accomplishments. Congratulations. Remember that your actions today lay the foundation for a brighter future. Embrace the challenges ahead with courage and conviction, knowing that we are the architects of our tomorrow's success. Welcome to the 32nd Recognition Day of the United International Private School, and once again, good morning, everyone.
Hard work. It is time for us to give credit for their achievements and to appreciate them for a job well done. As a person who feels valued will always exceed expectations.
Without further ado, let us move on to the most awaited part of this event, the awarding of medals to the academic achievers. To award the medals, may we call on Dr. Eunice P. Orzame, Ms. Maricris Quero Tenorio, and Mr. Danilo C. Rances. Parents, please join your child on stage as they receive their awards.
The Benevolent Helper Award.
Pray for the awardees from grade to Golden with their advisor, Ms. Lenny C. Caro.
Naligawan na.
Santos Alia Giselle D, Academic Excellence Awardee with
It has been a joy to witness and be part of today's recognition ceremony. It is a reminder not only for students, but also for everyone that adversities and challenges may come. But with grit, resilience, and determination, success will be on its way.
once more, our sincerest thanks to all the parents, guests, the school administrators, faculty, and staff for making this event a success. I am Mr. Junritz Eprosello.
And I am Miss Julie N. B. Granada.
It has been our pleasure hosting this event. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayong lahat.
Congratulations, Arabella!
Yay!